Welcome. In front of me is an Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. With that being said, you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. But for the most part, most devices that come with a Google account, which you probably have a Google account signed in, after the reset will force you to verify either the screen lock, which you don't know, or the Google account. So if you can't do one of those at least, you won't be able to finish up the setup. So I just wanted to warn you. Now I do have a pattern set right here, and even though I know it, I'm going to progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. So number one, we're going to hold power button, and then you want to select power off. And when the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Let go of the power button when you see the logo. And when you see this, you can also let go of the volume up. Now, to get past this, we're gonna start holding power button, and while holding it, press volume up once. This will redirect us to the recovery mode, and in here, using volume buttons, you want to select wipe data, factory reset. When it's selected, confirm it with the power button. Then select factory data reset. It's gonna format data, then give you a message, data wipe complete. Reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once more, and this will now reboot the device, continue resetting it in the background, and once it's finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.